Om Shanti. Good evening. The topic for this evening, Yoga Bhatti, is Mansa Seva. When we hear the word Mansa Seva, what comes to our minds? We usually project our mind outside. We have the feeling that we have to serve others through our minds. But in fact, the real meaning of Mansa Seva is service of the mind. When I am able to serve my mind will serve others' mind automatically. And what it means to serve my mind, it means to make my mind qualified. When my mind is qualified, it will automatically serve others' minds. So we need to have three main dharana. Equip our mind with these three qualifications to make it worthy to serve others' minds. Of course, we understand the power of thoughts. The power of thoughts moves with such fast speed, it can reach any corner of the world in no time. But what kind of thoughts I need to have emerging from my mind that can travel so fast? Because we know that the world is really polluted. It's full of impurity, waste. For my thoughts to survive and reach to the other corner of the world, it has to be of that quality. So first of all, I need to make my mind free from waste thoughts. If I have waste thoughts in my mind cannot serve others' minds. In fact, the thoughts cannot move. It's already heavy. Just like Dadi always gives this example. Imagine you are traveling in a boat on water. You want to reach from one corner to the other end. Of course, you can reach provided your boat is floating on the water. In case, if the boat has a hole, instead of the boat floating on the water, it will begin to sink in the water because the water comes into the boat. The boat will drown right there. It cannot reach the other side of the river. Same thing, if I have leakage in my mind, waste thoughts, my mind is so heavy, it will sink right there. It cannot reach the other corner of the world. Whether we are serving an individual, whether we are serving a group of people, whether we are serving elements of matter, I have to make my mind qualified by making it free from waste thoughts. Second qualification necessary is pure feelings. My feelings has to be very pure and clean. Only it can move faster like laser. And that is why I need to keep my heart very clean, pure feelings. Bab Dada has already mentioned in Murlis, even if I have bad feelings or ill feelings for any one soul, my heart is not qualified to serve others' heart or mind. It is like one drop of poison in a can of milk. Everything is spoiled. So this is why it is very important for us to make sure my feelings in the heart for everyone, no matter who it is, pure feelings, pure feelings. And third important qualification is purity. I need to have the power of purity in my mind to allow my thoughts to move like laser. Purity of the mind, divinity of the intellect allows me to make my mind qualified. So I have to work on these three aspects so that I have served my mind. It is like servicing, just like you service your car before you use your car. And when you service your car, you check few things, whether is there any air, enough water, enough petrol, the gear is working, the brake is working, then only you take the car on the road. And then you can do the speed you like. So this preparation has to be before we think about serving through the mind. Now, Bab Dada has spoken just a few weeks ago in the Murli. One practice I need to do in order to begin serving through my mind is pure desire and good feelings. Pure desire, Shubh Kamna and Shubh Bhavna. Without Kamna, Bhavna will not work. So what it means to have Shubh Kamna, pure wish, pure desire in my mind that I need to create is to a thought filled with mercy and compassion for all souls in the world, irrespective of who they are, where they live, what they do, for all souls, my family, the feeling filled with love and mercy, whatever I have received from Baba as my inheritance, as my birthright, let all my brothers and sisters' souls in the world receive this inheritance from Baba. Just pure desire, because they are my family members. They are my brothers and sisters. So when I create this pure desire filled with mercy and compassion, at the same time, souls who are in tune with God, their feelings will arise in their mind to receive that power to connect themselves with God. Because we confluence-aged Brahmins, we have received these blessings of having instant fruit. You know, we don't just have good wishes, but we have pure wishes. good wishes can be limited. Maybe you wish well for the people who are related to you. You wish well for the people whom you love, whom you know, when they are sick, when they are in sorrow. But when we talk about Mansa Seva, it is not just good wishes. It is pure wish. So difference between good wish and pure wish is selfless. So that is why when we are doing Mansa Seva, we don't have to think about, I am serving this America, I am serving this Africa, I am serving this place. We don't have to bring any place or any person in front of us. That is not going to work. They are not going to receive. Because when I am thinking I am giving, I am not giving. And they are not receiving. I have to go beyond. Imagine the sun, unlimited. The sun is unlimited. The sun is giving light, not having any discrimination whom to give and whom not to give. Those who are ready, they are receiving. So all that I need to do is to leave all the limitations of the shore and connect with Baba, the unlimited, and allow Baba. From Baba they receive. I don't even have the consciousness. I am giving. Because that is also narrow, limited consciousness which doesn't allow the vibrations to reach. So I sometimes look at Mansa Seva as satellite transmission. When we say satellite transmission, satellite is placed in a very highest tower. And from there, the waves, sound waves, are transmitted all over the world. So we have to go beyond limitations. First of all, limitations of the body, limitations of the center, limitation of the country, limitations of even physical world. We see ourselves on the unlimited. No, that is why Baba always says, in the stage, in your antarvahak sharir, in your subtle body of light, you do Mansa Seva. You need to change your dress. You need to go beyond this matter consciousness, go beyond the gross consciousness into my subtle body of light. So that is why angels are always shown, with flying beyond. All that I need to create, now we are sitting for 2 hours, say Mansa Seva, it's already determined in our mind. Whatever energy that is generated by my connection with Baba, that is a donation for the world. So that already is fixed. That is going to work that way. I don't need to imagine any part of the world. I don't need to imagine any particular person suffering. But this 2 hours is a donation of yoga for the world. Just like you work 2 hours overtime in your workplace, and that 2 hours money that you earn, you donate to the members of your family who don't have a job. So it is something like that, So that is why it is very important, no churning of knowledge, no visualizing anybody suffering, crying, but just that aim is already in our mind. At the present time, our world needs this kind of mental support. This is my family. Just like people give money, people give food, people give clothings. I am giving my power of thought, which nobody else can give. And in this, in between, if my mind is not concentrated, because Mansa Seva needs concentration power. If my mind is not concentrated, I cannot do the service of other people's mind, because other people's mind in the world is already unstable. To make an unstable mind stable with the power of my thought, I need to have the power of concentration. So that is why this is called, bhatti. Bhatti means like you go into the cave and sit there for that time and concentrate on one theme. Just the feeling in my mind that this 2 hours I am going to donate totally to my world. Everyone, because we know there are some people who have lost their family members, some people who have sickness, some people who are suffering from, loss, many situations. We already have that scene in front of us, so we don't need to repeat it. But just the feeling of love, a feeling of compassion, a feeling of sharing what I have received, let them also receive this from Baba, So I set my mind and then I stay on the unlimited. So my connection with Baba should be intact, so that from Baba, whichever soul, wherever, they feel like God is giving them strength, God is healing their pain, God is giving them love, cooperation, they feel like it is coming from God. So I don't need to have the feeling I am giving yoga power, I am giving Sakash. At that time, now we have already fixed the time. Okay, this 2 hours is for giving Sakash to the world. So it's already fixed. So I don't need to repeat that I am giving Sakash to this soul, this soul. So the difference between Sakash and yoga power is, Sakash is the highest stage of yoga, volcanic yoga. So when we are in the volcanic stage of yoga, then only you can give Sakash. That means when my yoga becomes fire, then there is the special current of light and might that emerges from that stage, which works like Sakash, special rays of current, like radiation. What we call Sakash, in other words, is called spiritual radiation. And it can heal very quickly. Like nowadays, when there is a stone in the gallbladder, before they used to have operation, but now they don't need to operate. They can melt the stone through radiation from outside. So if sign can do it with that heat, radiation means there is that temperature. So this Sakash is like spiritual radiation, but it is healing energy. It's not burning energy. It is healing energy that makes comfort, that creates feeling of peace, coolness, rest and comfort in the minds of souls. So first of all, I have to make sure my mind is free. If I am fighting with my own thoughts, and if I'm, analyzing my day while sitting in yoga, and in between, I have few thoughts of good wishes, it doesn't work. I have to close the 3 doors tightly. only one door open. That is bhatti, not all doors open. And only all thoughts emerge. It goes through the same direction. So if there is any negativity in between in the world, it will melt away, because laser has the power to penetrate through the impure atmosphere and reach out. So that is why purity is very important. And preparation for serving through the mind, we can experiment during the day. Mohini Ben was sharing the other day, very simple way. Say, I am practicing soul consciousness during the day. And when I am focused on being soul conscious, so my thoughts, positive thoughts, are serving my nature. Body is also made up of 5 elements. So I am already doing Mansa Seva, which means I have already started purifying elements of matter. So when we sit together in the power of gathering, it is like extension of that. So it's not like you need to make a special program to serve through the mind. Just serving the mind, it is your responsibility. So as I walk, as I eat, as I move around, if I'm able to maintain that soul consciousness, bodiless stage, Videhi stage, incorporeal stage, my mind, my intellect, sanskaras are all together. So then automatically that silence of the mind is serving the nature, serving the atmosphere through my vibrations. So that is why Baba says you are always on service. When we become Baba's children, not only body, not only wealth, not only words are used for serving. Our mind is serving or not serving constantly. So we have to take care of our mind first, our feelings, just to make sure there is constant pure feeling, wishing well to each and everyone, even to an enemy, even to someone who defame you, insult you. Doesn't matter what they do, but my heart wish them well. Because I cannot serve others because of one soul's relationship is based on negativity. So that is why it is important to be in a world benefactor stage. Just like Baba is the benefactor, he brings benevolent thoughts to everyone. No matter who we are, it's Baba's benevolent thoughts that has brought us to Baba today. Baba saw the specialities in each one of us and accepted us as we are. And then we were able to realize our weakness and work on ourselves. So the same thing as a world benefactor, we have to exercise in our interaction with others. So actually, you need to have a broad mind and a big heart to serve through the mind. And so today we especially are together to use the power of thought. And so let there not be any leakage. Let there not be any other feelings in our mind. Just pure desire. Let all souls in the world receive the inheritance what I got from Baba. Let all souls be happy, peaceful in their life. So with a group, with the gathering power, even the power of thoughts can reach faster, So let us experiment today by using the power of thoughts and the feelings which can, surround the world and purify the pollution in the form of impurity, so that we can live happily, we can allow the nature to become happy, and in that animal and plant kingdom is included. Om Shanti.
मौन की जाते हैं सहज ही शिव से